There's a big bag here. There we go. Okay, this is a big bag here. MEKKAPRO all natural mosquito net. It says it's king size. You have a clasp up here. Pull the bag closed. And it really is big. Here we go. And you mount the hardware. I forget what these little guys are called. Molly screws? Molly lock or something? I'm sorry, I can't remember the name. And your hooks. And tie off cord. I'm going to leave it all in here for right now. The netting. This is what we all want to see, is how thick is the netting. Okay, the edges are finished. There we go. Well, actually, I take it back. The edge is not finished, but it rolls up quite nicely, so it's as though it's finished. Very fine. You're not going to find mosquitoes coming through this. Let's put it up against a black background so you can see better. Can you see that? Very, very fine. I wonder if I can get a measurement on that. Sixteenth of an inch is your hole size. So it looks very nice. I'm anxious to put it up. You know, with all this Zika virus, I want to make sure I keep the mosquitoes off. So if you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and have a great day.